Alright, silly people. Kept you waiting, huh? But here's the situation. So Griffiths is trying to walk us through a proof for um, given that A are a set of eigenvectors for an operator T, and if uh, V commutes with said operator, um, then some combinations of vectors actually are eigenvectors of both. So what he does is he assumes that there's some degeneracy in T and that it has one eigenvalue that results in a couple different eigenvectors A1 and A2. Um, and the eigenvalue for it he calls lambda 0. Um, this gives us the fact that any linear combination of A1 and A2 is also an eigenvector of T, right? Because if you just have it acting on x times a1 plus y times a2, you're going to get x times ta1 plus y times ta2, which is just x times lambda naught a1 plus y times lambda naught a2. So it's just lambda naught times xa1 plus ya2. That's kind of unnecessary, but yeah, that's the whole thing, is that it's degenerate and you can represent it like that. So what he's doing is he's constructing these vectors B, which are the operator V acting on A1, uh, which also form eigenvectors of T. It's saying that T B1 is actually just lambda naught B1. Same thing for B2, VA2. Um, but also from the fact that any linear combination of A1 and A2 will form this vector B, will also be an eigenvector with eigenvalue lambda naught. We'll say that B1 is given by C11 A1 plus C21 A2, and B2 is C12 A1 plus C22 A2, right? And that gives you V in the basis of A1 and A2 as C11, C21, C22, or not C22 there, it's C12 here and C22 here. That's V. The next step is to construct a new basis vector A tilde I such that it diagonalizes V. So V A tilde I equals some eigenvalue Vi A tilde I. And so we have actually form for the matrix of V in the basis of the A's. So you can write it like this. We don't know what we don't actually know what the A tildes are, so all we can do is put constants here. So this is D11 and D21. And on the other side you have V1, D11, D21, the way that I've set it up for V1. And you would also get a thing C11, C21, C12, C22, D2, no, this would be D12, D22 equals V2, D12, D22. That way, what we've done is we've ended up setting up the A tildes in the basis of A1 and A2. So this is going to be A tilde 1, where it's going to be D11 A1 plus D21 A2. A tilde 2 then will be D12 A1 and D22 A2. Right. But yeah, I've not added anything to the text really. I'm just explaining the process, and I'm pretty sure that's what he's trying to do because there's nothing really to do here because we don't have any numbers or anything. All right.